Guys, in this video I will show you how you can add images to your Wix website. It's really fast and easy, and first of course what you need to do here is to be logged into your Wix website, and then you need to select the site that you want to edit and be on the Wix editor like I'm here right now. And then on the left side you should see a little plus icon and that says add, right? And the second option is as you can see, not second, but where's that option? Image. Here we go, third option. So basically you can look here and it will be my image uploads, free Wix images, and free image Wix illustration. So I'm assuming you should know about my image uploads. And of course you can search on, basically press on search and then write image, and you should see same window. So depending on you what you want to do with your image here. So I do not had uploaded any images on the Wix website, so I will use free Wix images. But if you have some, of course you need to select them and just select, for example, free image like this one, and then press add to page. And as you can see here, image is added to my Wix website, right? So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.